Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 13. Which of the following could be effectively used to reduce friction? A. Water, B. Petrol, C. Kerosene, D. Grease. D. Grease. So we're asked for which of these four substances could be effectively used to reduce friction. Now, water actually has some lubricating properties. However, it is not the lubricating property or the property to reduce friction is not sufficient for effective friction reduction. Okay, it's not sufficient for effective friction reduction. Now, petrol is not known for its ability to reduce friction. It is known for its use as fuel, either as combustion fuel, or even propulsion fuel. So it is not known for its friction reducing property. Kerosene is also best used as a combustion fuel. It is not known for its ability to reduce friction. However, option D, which is grease, is known for its lubricating property. Okay, and lubrication is basically a way or a very effective method in reducing friction. Now, grease is made up of mixing oil and other thick materials. Okay, it is made with mixing oil and other thick materials, and like we said, it's an effective lubricating material compared to the other three. So option D, which is grease, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.